Good morning. It is Tuesday, August 18th, 6 a.m. on the dot, Central Time. Take a look at crude. It was early last week that I said we were going to get $42 crude, and we have found 41.50 crude before the EIA. So this anomaly from Friday, the yuan devaluation, we're still inside that. So yesterday, Monday, was an inside day, and it looks like we want to come in today and test this to the downside, but we have some points right up here around 42.25-ish that I think will get hit before we get down there all the way. We've got two VWAPs in a row, plus the point of control for the 20-day consolidation. So I'm thinking that's probably a magnet, and that'll be pulling price up. So we'll probably hit 42.25 before we go back down and clear these. But there's nothing bullish at all. There is no sign at all that this is going to rally up today. I thought yesterday we were going to get a rally up off of the Mexico 100,000 barrel crude to their blend swap, but that did not happen. The market is just saying 100,000 barrels a day, not a big deal. Well, to me, it was a pretty big deal because of the supply being depleted, but not enough big deal to keep this from plummeting more. And I'm looking at 39, aren't I? I mean, I'm down here in the 39s, so we will see. And we'll just keep adjusting our fib levels to see if those extensions get hit before this thing finally turns around and finds a bottom. But right now, there's not a bottom. There's no way that you can call this a bottoming pattern. This is an inside day pause, the market keeping those option people from getting their money, and it is just not looking very good. On the daily, weekly, 60, 15, we've got a little bit of a pullback here, so that's why we're getting the 15 green. So as long as we keep coming up to hit these moving averages and get back into the previous value sum, it may hit the 60 again, green. Ideally, I want to find a strategy that is all the way across, red or green. Nat gas looks like it is really coming off. Again, yesterday it really sold off. So I might be looking at nat gas today. I'm also looking at the indexes. They were selling off really good yesterday, and it looks like they're finally turning the hump. So on my strategy yesterday, there just really wasn't much to look at for crude. These were the trades. They were against the direction guide. You had to put your momentum core on here. Wait, wrong one. The momentum trend here to get in on these inflections, but oops, so many. This is my personal working copy where I'm working on my algo. This is personal working copy for me of the direction guide. So these were the locations to enter on these inflections rallying back up yesterday. Price had risen above the 50 SMA, and this especially right here where it touched the 50 SMA and rallied on the point of control was a great entry, and then here was the confirmation. So you had your pullback entry here. So both of these were excellent purchases yesterday, and I was able to get a few scalps in against my trend strategy yesterday to close my combine out for a favorable win for the day. But I really don't like trading against the core. There just wasn't much for me in crude yesterday on my core strategy. The strategy did not get long until the top, and of course you don't want to buy the tops. So I knew not to do that. So there you go. Today we are back bearish, but I do think it will pull back to this value low and the point of control because of those VWAPs. It'll serve as a magnet for price. So I'm expecting another inside day choppy short range, and which brings me to the fact that I might be looking at another instrument to trade because crude is just really in a short range. We have narrowed our ranges dramatically to these tiny little ranges, and so I'm not seeing huge opportunities in crude. NASDAQ, on the other hand, has a lot of potential, and I've been looking at this. We're at the top of the market, top of the standard deviation. All of this is coming back into the value area, so this might be a much better play today. So I'm, in fact, thinking about entering a short position in NASDAQ as soon as we get the open to trade this. Down to the VWAP, the weekly VWAP. So we'll just have to pick our market to trade today. And right now that's looking like the NASDAQ for me. NQ has a lot of great runs. Yesterday, it rallied up off of the value area high and just stood there the whole day. All these inflections on the value high, just get back in and run it up. So I'm going to definitely keep my eye on the NASDAQ and see if we can get a wash, rinse, repeat of yesterday. So come join me in my trade room. Hang out with me on the Google Hangout. Send me an email, support@JAutoTradingStrategies, and I'll send you the link. See you in the trade room. Thank you.